I have the Rabbit R1 and I'll be showing you how to change the time zone on this device. So the first thing you want to do is give your Rabbit a good shake to get into settings, and then scroll down to time using the wheel, select that, and then by default your Rabbit will be set to automatic time zone. So the first thing you want to do is disable that. So just press the side button and that gets disabled. And then now you can scroll down and choose a different time zone. So for instance, depending on where you are, you might see different time zones. You can select that and all the time zones and countries are here. So what you want to do is just scroll and find your time zone. So the first thing you can do is find your country. So scroll until you get to your country. And once you get to your country and city, you can just press this side button and that's going to be your new time zone. So that's basically how to manually change the time zone on your Rabbit R1. Now, for more accurate time zone, you might want to enable automatic time zone. So just come here, enable automatic time zone, and your Rabbit R1 will automatically select the time zone that you're in for the best experience. Once you're done, you can scroll all the way up, select settings, once again all the way up, select home, and you're back to the home screen. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.